Hey, it's Matrixity. Welcome to my Matrix. Hope you're all doing great today. I have a little bit of a problem. I went to the beach a couple days ago and I did not get in the sun. As far as going out in the sun, I stayed under the umbrella the entire time. But even so, I didn't have sunscreen. And even though the sun was very, very hot that day and I was in the shade, I still got too much sun. And to the point where I had on a sleeveless dress like this one, and I have now a terrible sunburn. For the past 2 days, I've been in kind of like misery because my arms and shoulders have been on fire. And what I finally decided to do was to get some aloe vera. So, the quickest thing I could do was just go get a real part of an aloe vera plant from the grocery store because they're sold everywhere. The aloe leaves are in your local grocery store. They're in the fruit and vegetable sections in your grocery aisle. So that's where I went. So I got some fresh aloe vera. You can see that there. And it was funny because when I went to the register, I went to the self-checkout. And the lady there said, "What are you going to do with that?" And I says, "I'm going to put it on my skin." I said, "I went to the beach and I got a terrible sunburn and my arms are burning up on fire. So I'm going to put some aloe on." So basically, there is a process. But, what I've always done is just cut it open. Like I've got a scissors. I'm going to cut a piece off. And I want to get the gel that's inside. So, it's in the pure plant form. So I've cut it off and it's got some little spines on it. So it is kind of a sticky plant. It is, I guess, in the cactus family because those little spines are sharp. They hurt. But they won't do anything to you. So in order to get the gel out, you can actually squeeze the gel out. But I want to be able to just, rub it straight on my shoulders because my shoulders are on fire. So I got a pair of scissors and I'm going to just cut it open, cut this hard outside skin, and peel it back, and then just rub it on the burn areas, which is very effective. So once you cut it open, I just use a pair of regular scissors, and I'm going to split this open so you can see it. It's green on the inside. Let's see. It's kind of awkward, but here we go. Opening it up. It's jelly on the inside, green jelly on the inside. And I'm just going to take this and just swab it all over my shoulders because my shoulders, as I said, are on fire. Even today, they're on fire. When I was taking a shower and trying to dry them, I couldn't really rub hard with the towel because my shoulders hurt. So this is a bunch of green gel right there, which is the aloe. So I'm just going to rub it on. Just rub it on, and I can feel the relief as soon as I put that on there. And it has kind of a plant smell. It smells like green. But, the gel comes right on out. Put that on because I'm really burnt, and I'm several colors, multicolors. If you would actually see strap marks, if I had on a different dress, you can see it. But I'm at least three shades darker on my arms and chest. I had on the dress I had on was sleeveless. So it had a square like boat neck. And so I have a dark square right here on my chest. Not a sunburnt as the arms were, but the arms got the worst part of going to the beach that day. So I'm just going to rub this on. And it's not slimy. I mean, it looks slimy initially, but it soaks into your skin. It's soothing. It actually is cool and comforting. And if you want to get more of the gel, you can actually kind of like use your finger and squeeze and mash. And even more of the gel will come out. If you see that, even more of the gel will come out. And you can actually take this, if you were at home, you'd actually take like a spoon and scrape out all the pulp, put it in a blender, or a little mortar and pestle, and squish it all down until it got like to a liquid. So this gel you see here, because I'm in the car, it won't really get a waste, but this could be used because this actually can be put in the blender and become more gel that I could use. But I've got a pretty big piece left, and it gets really, really thick. So there's a lot of aloe vera in here. But anyway, be smart. Don't be like me. If you're going to go out in the sun, Take sunscreen. Even if you're not going to get out in the sun, but you're going to be under the umbrella, take sunscreen because the sun is sunning. And all those rays are just penetrating through to whatever cover you think is covering you, but it's really not. All right, y'all have a great day. Bye.